Today we're making Gheymeh, an old Persian classic. We'll make two beloved kinds, tbsp zamini and Gheymeh bottom John. Let's cook. First the onions into the pan with salt, black pepper and turmeric. Let them turn golden slowly, slowly. Now add the meat, let it cook with the onions. Let it take in all that flavor. Now the tomato paste, fry it well. Wake up the deep red color. Add water, bring it up, then turn the heat low. Cover the pot. Let the meat cook slowly for about 2 hours. And while the meat is cooking, the split peas need their time too. Soak the split peas for about 5 hours before, then cook them until soft, but never let them fall apart. Soft, but still holding shape. And while the stew is cooking, let's make the rice. Oh, Gheymeh, slowly simmer, slowly simmer. Warm and golden, deep and tender. Oh, Gheymeh, take your time, take your time. We were waiting for you. Wash the rice, boil it with salt, and cook it until al dente. Then drain it. Take some rice and mix it with yogurt, saffron, oil, egg, salt, and black pepper. Spread it on the bottom of the pot. Then add the rest of the rice on top. Add a little butter on top. Let it melt into the rice. Then cover the pot to low heat. Let the steam rise. Let the rice slowly breathe. And underneath something beautiful happens. Thai digs fancy friend. This is Thai Chin. We kept the rice simple here, just to keep the story light. If you want the full rice recipe, we'll leave it up above, so you can watch it right. While the rice is cooking, let's make the bourani. Cook the spinach, soften it, mash it gently. Add garlic, salt, and black pepper. Then mix it with thick yogurt, cool and fresh. This is bourani. Now, back to the Gheymeh. The meat is tender, the split peas go in. Then the dried limes, dark little sparks of sourness and saffron. Golden threads in the steam, stir it gently. 1 more hour, let it simmer. Let the flavors find each other. Now let's make the first finish. Golden potatoes, peel and cut them into thin strips and fry them until crisp and golden. A little salt, hot Gheymeh, crispy potatoes, one beautiful plate. No John. The edges, soft and rich inside. Same Gheymeh put both together. Oh, Gheymeh! Slowly simmer, rich and golden, soft and tender. Oh, Gheymeh, you are my love, taste of home in every bite. If you made it this far, tell me what you put on your plate tonight. Leave a comment, let me know your favorite bite. From the kitchen to your home, this is Beats and Bites.